2 towels over there, man?
Yeah.
Huh?
Oh, shit.
Yeah. We need to be going one after the other so we can all get the fuck out of here.
Right. I'll come after you.
Okay.
I'm gonna watch you do it, see where you land. Just watch your fucking strategy and I'm gonna come on down. Matt, you come after me. I'm coming after him. We're doing this one after the other. Right.
Oh.
Whoa!
Done. Fucking done. Yeah, let's go.
Regular don't do it.
Wait, is this fucking sharp? I don't know, go!
Hell in here, Brady?
Can't get back in the fucking water. Yeah. Fucking hell. Done. Man, it really fucking makes you appreciate the frigid cold outside.
Yeah. Oh, motherfuck. Oh.